let me tell you this, that marriage will never end up in divorce. The reason is this: the man already knows his legal duties as the husband and as the man. The woman also knows her duty as a woman and as a wife. So when you know what you're supposed to do and you are doing it, why would that marriage not work? A couple love each other deeply, but before the end of the month, they spent all they had, and when problem came, they never had any money to solve their problem. Why? Because they never sat down to discuss how to spend their money and where their money goes in. Love can bring two people together, but finance can scatter a marriage if not well managed. That's why I tell people, do family planning before you enter marriage. What do I mean by family planning? Do prenups. Prenups will say, this is the duty of a man in this family. This is the duty of the woman in this new family. Most people get afraid of prenups because they don't really understand what it is. I call it family planning. I don't know what family planning means in your own area or in your own understanding. Let us know on the comment section. But to me, family planning, one of it is prenups. It is a document, an agreement that explains and specifies the duty of a man and the duty of a woman in the family. The man knows his duty and the woman knows her duty. Both of them spells it out and agrees on it. This is your liabilities and this is my liabilities. These are my assets and these are your assets. This is how we are going to treat individual assets and joint assets. This is how we are going to settle about old debts and new debts. It is your duty as a man to provide. It is your duty as a man to pay house rent. It is my duty as a woman to pay school fees. It is my duty as a woman to buy clothes for the children. You spell these things out. Everybody knows their duty. This is how we are going to share our properties in case this marriage does not work. But let me tell you this, that marriage will never end up in divorce. The reason is this: the man already knows his legal duties as the husband and as the man. The woman also knows her duty as a woman and as a wife. So when you know what you're supposed to do and you are doing it, why would that marriage not work? Go and do prenups. That is why these people have spent all their money. One of the problems they have spent all the money they have made, but if they have sat down and discussed how the money they make will be spent and who should be in charge of expenses and savings, they wouldn't have run into that problem. I don't know who this message is for. Share this video to those who might need it. Like it and tell us your own opinion on the comment section. All we do here in Appraisers of Insight is to bring insight to your doorstep.